When is the project deadline?
The deadline is this Friday.
Did you get my last email?
Yes, I just read it now.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need?
What time is the team meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m.
How is the report coming along?
I am almost finished with it.
Are you free for lunch today?
Let's go around noon today.
Who is in charge of this?
Sarah is leading this project now.
Could you review this document, please?
I will review it this afternoon.
What did the client think about it?
They were very happy with it.
Is the printer working yet?
No, it is still out of order.
Do you have a quick moment?
Yes, I have a few minutes.
Should we schedule another meeting?
Let's schedule one for next week.
How was your business trip?
It was productive but very tiring.
Are you working late tonight?
I have to finish this presentation.
Where is the marketing department?
It's on the second floor.
Can I take Friday off work?
You have to request it first.
Did you finish the monthly report?
I submitted it this morning.
Is there any coffee left?
I can make a fresh pot.
What are your career goals?
I want to become a manager.
How do you handle stressful situations?
I take a few deep breaths.
Is this the final version?
Yes, this is the final draft.
Can we brainstorm some new ideas?
That is a very good idea.
Do you need any assistance?
No, I think I can manage.
How is your current workload?
It has been very busy lately.
Did you speak to the manager?
Yes, we spoke an hour ago.
What is our main objective here?
We need to increase our sales.
Should I reply to this email?
Yes, please reply as soon as possible.
Do you agree with this decision?
I have some minor concerns.
Who is joining the conference call?
The entire team is joining.
Is the internet connection working?
The connection seems a bit slow.
Can you please print this for me?
Sure, I'll print it out now.
Where did you work before this?
I worked at a tech company.
Do you like your job here?
Yes, I really enjoy my work.
What are your biggest strengths?
I am a very good communicator.
Can we move the deadline?
Let's discuss that with the team.
Where is the check-in desk?
It is just over there.
Is my flight on time today?
Your flight has been slightly delayed.
Can I have a window seat?
Sorry, only aisle seats are left.
Where can I find a taxi?
Taxis are outside the main exit.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it is under my name.
What time is the hotel checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here is the menu for you.
How do I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 more blocks.
How much does this souvenir cost?
That will be $20, please.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, this is the right bus.
Can I have the bill, please?
I will bring it right away.
Is there a restaurant nearby?
There's a great one next door.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
I will write it down for you.
Can you recommend a good tour?
The city walking tour is popular.
What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
Do you speak any English here?
Yes, a little bit of English.
Is the tap water safe to drink?
I would recommend bottled water instead.
Can you take a photo of us?
Of course, just smile for me.
Where is the nearest ATM?
There is one inside the bank.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Is this seat taken by anyone?
No, this seat is completely free.
What is your boarding gate number?
My boarding gate is B24.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I have nothing to declare.
Could you help me with my bags?
Certainly, let me help you now.
What is the local currency?
The local currency is the euro.
Where are you traveling from?
I am traveling from New York.
Is service charge included in bill?
No, the tip is not included.
What's the best local dish?
You should definitely try the paella.
Can I get a city map?
Here is a free city map.
How long is the flight?
The flight is about 8 hours.
Do I need to check out?
Please leave your key at reception.
Is there room service available?
Yes, room service is 24 hours.
Where can I change my money?
At the currency exchange booth over there.
Are there any good shows tonight?
There is a concert in the park.
What are you doing this weekend?
I don't have any plans yet.
How was your day at school?
It was pretty good, thank you.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny with a slight breeze.
Do you know where the milk is?
It is located in aisle 4.
Did you like the movie last night?
It was better than I expected.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and reading books.
Want to grab coffee sometime soon?
That sounds like a great idea.
Are you feeling any better today?
Yes, I am feeling much better.
Did you take the trash out?
I will do it in a minute.
What time should I be there?
Please try to be on time.
Can you pass the salt, please?
Sure, here you go right now.
Is there anything good on TV?
There is a new show starting.
Have you seen my phone anywhere?
I think it is on the table.
How do you know each other?
We went to college together.
What's for dinner this evening?
We are having pasta and salad.
Can I book an appointment, please?
What time works best for you?
Do you need a ride home?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
How often do you exercise?
I go to the gym 3 times.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first visit.
Did you sleep well last night?
I slept like a log, thanks.
Can you turn the volume down?
Is this volume better for you?
What kind of music you like?
I like listening to classic rock.
Do you have any pets at home?
I have a small dog named Max.
Are you ready to go now?
I just need to get my coat.
Who is at the front door?
It is just the delivery person.
Should I bring anything to party?
Just bring yourself and your smile.
What are you reading right now?
I'm reading a historical fiction novel.
Where did you get that shirt?
I bought it online last week.
Are you busy at the moment?
I have a little free time.
What did you think about that?
I thought it was very interesting.